Okay. I haven't seen Timmy in a while. What is that noise? Yeah. Timmy, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
What are you
Making
doing?
a new fort.
You're making. Okay. Why are you making a fort?
Okay, look at my house, bro. That thing's so tiny, bro. I want a bigger house. Listen to me now.
Okay. Speed on fort.
Okay, hold up. Here, I have a drink. Hold up, I have a drink. Hold up. I'll get you salt too.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy some drinks. Okay, here's your drink. Here's a straw. Okay, I have my straw. Okay? So you ready to drink this and celebrate my new house?
I have a
Let's
bad
go in my new
feeling-
house.
I think I have a bad feeling it might explode.
Oh no. That was the last like few times, okay? But that's the point. That's besides the point.
That's the point.
I said that's besides the point. Okay. Let's get ready to drink this. Okay?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I can't fit this